YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right in. So I'm starting off with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer all over the face. Just use your fingers to blend in. Now I'm taking the Marc Jacobs foundation. This is the one that's completely matte, full coverage. I'm just dotting along the lines of most of my cheek and contour area. And I'm taking this 3CE Compact Cushion, which is a CC cream. And I'm using this to highlight the areas on my face because it is a lighter shade. And then now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Concealer and I'm going to dot it along the same areas I use the 3CE. Now with Sephora's foundation brush, I'm going to buff in the highlighted areas first, and then we're going to blend in the rest of the foundation. To make the foundation look more skin-like, I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and just go ahead and bounce it around my face, especially the under eye area because that's where the concealer was. Now with setting my face, I'm using the MAC Next to Nothing powder. With a big fluffy brush, go ahead and set everywhere. For the smaller areas like my under eyes, I like to take my Haku-ho-Do brush. Go ahead and dust some translucent powder. This one is the Tarte Amazonian Clay translucent powder. Now for the eyes, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Stay Don't Stray from Benefit Cosmetics. Go ahead and blend that in with your finger. And I like to set my primer in place with the same Haku-ho-Do brush with whatever residue of the translucent powder on there. Now taking the Beige Cosmetics Shaaanxo The Remix palette, picking up that pink color with a MAC 217, lightly feather it onto your lids and your lower lash line. Now taking that rosy color in Bestie, we're going to go ahead and place that on top of that baby girl color we used just to neutralize the color a little bit, to have it muted. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to use the MAC Black Track Gel Cream Liner because in Jennie's music video, she has a simple wing liner and we're going to achieve that look today since it is a celebrity inspired look. Once you got your eyeliner down, go ahead and apply your mascara and then some falsies. Be sure to blend your falsies with an eyeliner so you can't see the band, which I'm doing right here with the Pixi eyeliner. Go ahead and touch up your lower lash line with mascara as well. Be sure to keep it on the outer perimeter only, nothing in the middle. Now, moving on to blush, I'm using this MAC Peony Petal color with a Sonia Kashuk Fluffy Angle Brush. Make sure you put on a good amount of this color because in the video she has a lot of blush. I'm putting on a little bit of a bronzer. This is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, just so I can get some shape back to my cheekbones and to contour my nose and my lip a little bit. It's crucial you get the lip right. So in the lip, she had mostly just pink in the middle and it fades out to the lip. That's very popular in Korea for all K-pop stars because they want to make the lip to look more cute, adorable versus a full-on blown lip. I'm using the color in You by NARS. You can use any pink color similar. I'm also going to dot around my outside of my lip line and just to mute it a little bit, the color, and retouch up the middle. At this point, you're pretty much done. Go ahead and set your face. I'm using Urban Decay Setting Mist Original. And you're basically all done. I'll see you guys in my next celebrity inspired tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye!
You got me like, oh, this is not the way I want.